The Defense Logistics Agency is known as America's Combat Logistics Support Agency, and its support of the Army, Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, federal agencies, and partner nation armed forces is far-reaching. DLA provides its customers with the full spectrum of logistics, acquisition, and technical services, and provides nearly all of the consumable items its customers need to operate. A key part of DLA is its network of distribution centers located worldwide. DLA Distribution is the leading provider of global distribution support to America's military, including receiving, storing, and issuing supplies. Customer returns occur when a customer is directed by the inventory control point or the owner to return material to a DLA distribution center. Customers may be given credit for the turn-in of these items based on the serviceability inspection conducted by DLA distribution receiving personnel and DLA's need for the materiel. Approved returns may provide credit. Material returned without authorization may result in the customer being given partial or no credit. The Department of Defense Materiel Returns Program requires customers to offer this materiel, which is excess to their needs, to the inventory control point, who will review current stock position and determine if the materiel can be used to fill a requirement. The ICP will direct the shipment of the materiel to a distribution center where it will be processed into the distribution standard system and listed on the accountable records of the ICP. Alphabetic characters A and B have been assigned to the supply distribution system for requisitioning and issuing. Characters of FT are assigned to the MRP. Materiel should arrive with one or more of the following documents: in general, materiel will arrive accompanied by a DD Form 1348-1A, Issue Release Receipt Document. The issue transaction that causes the movement of materiel for customer returns begins with a 3-position document identifier code, beginning with either A5 or FT. These codes will be in the first 3 record positions of the document. Materiel return project codes found in blocks 57 through 59 of the DD Form 1348-1A may also be used for identifying customer returns on the customer return documents. When materiel arrives at the DLA distribution center, the employee will legibly print and date the DD Form 1348-1A in box 22 and 23. Every company or business in operation today operates under some kind of corporate instructions, bylaws, and policies. DoD also has policies that must be followed. These policies are in the form of instructions and are implemented by the military services and other components of the government. All materiel should be marked in accordance with Department of Defense military marking for shipment and storage, Military Standard 129. All shipments should be marked and labeled in a manner suitable for the mode of shipment. Unauthorized markings on shipping containers must be obliterated. Each palletized unit and unpacked unit must bear the address of the intended receiving activity. Labels should be used in preference to tags, except when it is impractical to apply a label. Hazardous items must be marked with identification markings as specified herein and in the standard. These are the minimum label requirements for all customer returns. Each palletized unit and unpacked unit must bear the address of the intended receiving activity. Packaging requirements will be verified based on the owner of the materiel by using the military service-specific websites. Some sites may require registration or permissions. Failure to return materiel properly packaged and marked will result in a charge for repackaging and marking and could affect customer credit. The DoD components shall use the Supply Discrepancy Report to report discrepancies attributed to the shipper. Some of the more common receipt discrepancies include the following: If a shipment has discrepancies that cannot be resolved, the material will be placed in the frustrated stock area and an SDR will be submitted. Our customers rely on DLA to supply them with the critical items they need to accomplish their mission. Following proper procedures will ensure there is no delay at time of issue. The goal is always for our customer to receive the right item on time, every time.